Hello everyone, I'm Leo, a fluffy lamb from a big green farm. Today, we're going to learn about the present tenses, how to talk about what's happening now, what usually happens, and what's just happened. We'll explore four tenses: present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Think of them like different tools in your toolbox for telling your stories. Ready for a fun adventure? Let's jump in and learn the present tenses together using instructions, examples, and stories. Let's start with the present simple tense. It is an important part of speaking clearly. We use this tense to talk about what I do every day, my regular activities, or things that are always true. For example, the sun rises every morning. It happens every day and never changes. This is a clear example of the present simple tense. I wake up, I stretch and feel the energy moving through my body and say, "Good morning, world." Ready to enjoy a brand new day. My routine stays the same. It feels nice to have a familiar pattern every day. After breakfast, which is always tasty, my friends and I play in the pasture, enjoying the open space and fresh air. We chase each other, run around the big oak tree, and laugh in the fields, and enjoy the fresh grass. It's the tastiest treat, especially under the warm sunshine. My best friend Lily can jump very high. She is very strong and moves gracefully. We play a game where everyone gets a turn to lead. We laugh when we fall on flowers. It's all fun, and we always help each other. At sunset, as the sky turns beautiful shades of orange and pink, we return to the barn, tired and happy, ready for bedtime stories, dreaming of all the adventures we'll have tomorrow. Present simple is for habits, routines, and facts, the things that define our daily lives and the world around us. Like, I play every day. It's a simple statement, but it tells you a lot about my life. Fun question time. Let's test your understanding of the present simple. What's one thing you do every single day? Think about your own routine and share it with us. Write in the comments and we will correct your mistakes. Now, let's talk about what's happening right now, the present continuous tense. I am typing this story for you. Outside, the sun is shining and a bluebird is singing. My friend Lily is waving at me with a red ball she wants to play. Farmer John is driving his tractor and the lambs are running after him. Everyone is busy doing something at this very moment. Present continuous is for actions happening now, like I am eating, I'm closing my laptop and running outside to play. Fun question time. What are you doing right now? Ready for another grammar adventure? I hope you're as excited as I am, because today we're diving into a really interesting part of English grammar. Let's talk about the present perfect tense. It might seem a little hard at first, but don't worry. We will learn it step by step. The present perfect tense connects the past to now. It talks about things that happened before but still matter or affect the present. For example, I have played with Lily and we've just finished our game. The fun we had is still fresh in my mind. Oh no, the red ball has gone under the fence. Now I need to find a way to get it back. I have lived on this farm my whole life. It's where I grew up, and it's full of wonderful memories. I have seen rainbows, the beautiful colors that appear in the sky after it rains. I have tasted apples for the first time. That sweet, crunchy taste was a wonderful surprise. My friends and I have explored the creek looking for cool rocks and small animals and climbed hills together. We always race to the top to see who can get there first. Sometimes I have lost things. It's never a good feeling when you can't find something you really care about, like my favorite bluebell. It makes the prettiest sound when you ring it. I have looked everywhere for it. Under the bed, behind the couch, even in the garden. Remember, the present perfect shows how past actions connect to now. It focuses on what happened before and how it matters today. Like, I have finished my homework, which means I'm now free to play. These experiences affect how I feel today. They help make me who I am and change how I see the world. Fun question time. Get ready to think. Have you ever lost something important? And if so, how did you feel and did you ever find it again? Think about it. Share your answer in the comments. Good news, my mom has found my bluebell. I have just put it back on and I feel so much better. I have never swum in the big pond or eaten pizza, but maybe one day. The weather has changed. It was sunny, but now it's cloudy and everyone has prepared for rain. I have learned to jump over the hay bale, a big bundle of dry grass, all by myself. Now I feel proud and confident. Present Perfect is great for sharing news, experiences, and changes. Fun question time. What's something new you have learned recently? Let us know in comments. Now, let's try the present perfect continuous actions that started in the past and are still happening. It has been raining for 10 minutes, so we have been waiting inside the barn. I have been waiting for my mom and my tummy has been rumbling. My friends and I have been playing quiet games and telling stories while we wait. This tense shows how long something has been happening, like I have been practicing my jumping. The action started before and is still going on now. Fun question time. How long have you been reading this story? The rain has stopped. Farmer John looks tired because he has been working in the fields all day. We have been waiting inside and now we're excited to play outside again. Lily has been rolling in the hay now. She's a messy, happy lamb. I have been thinking about you and trying my best to explain these tenses. Present perfect continuous shows actions that started in the past and have a result now. Fun question time. What have you been doing all day? Wow, we have learned a lot about the present tenses. It's amazing how we can talk about things happening now. You have learned so much, and you should be proud. Let's review the 4 present tenses to help you understand them better. We will look at each one, see what it is used for, and get a quick reminder of how it works. This is a short refresher to make you confident using each tense. Present simple for routines and facts. Things that are always true or things you do regularly. I play every day. It's a simple tense but very useful for describing habits and general truths. Present continuous. Use it for actions happening right now. Example, I am talking to you. It shows the action is happening now and may only last a short time. It's great for describing what is going on around you. Present perfect for past actions with results now. The action happened sometime before now and it has a connection to the present. I have lost my bell. The important thing is that the bell is still missing. Present perfect continuous for actions that started in the past and are still happening, emphasizing the duration. It has been raining. This tense highlights how long the action has been going on and that it's still continuing. Each tense is a tool for telling your story, giving you different ways to express the timing of events. Present simple is your daily routine, the backbone of your everyday life. Present continuous is what's happening right now, capturing the immediacy of the moment. Present perfect connects past and present, showing how previous events influence the current situation. Present perfect continuous. Use it to show how long something has been happening. It focuses on the action continuing over time. Use them to make your stories clear and exciting. By choosing the right tense, you can add depth and nuance to your narratives. You're ready to use all 4 tenses in your own stories. Go forth and create amazing tales. Fun question time. Which tense do you like best and why? Let us know. Now it's your turn to write a story using all 4 present tenses. Start with something you always do, then what you're doing now, something you've experienced, and how long you've been doing something. For example, I play video games every day. Right now, I am sitting at my desk. I have just beaten a level. I have been playing for 2 hours. Share your story with someone or write in the comments and keep practicing. I have really enjoyed being your teacher today. Keep having fun with English. Final challenge. Write a 4-sentence story using all 4 present tenses and share it in the comments.